In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Shopee as a seller. This process is incredibly important for anyone looking to venture into the online marketplace, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure your product is ready and visible to millions of potential buyers on Shopee. Starting off, you'll need to visit the Shopee Philippines website. It's the first step towards setting up your product listing, and from here everything else follows. Once you're on the site, the next thing you need to do is log in to your account. You can do this easily by clicking on the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. After clicking on login, you'll be presented with several options for logging in. One of the most convenient ways is to use your Google account, so go ahead and click on Google to proceed. You'll then need to select your account from the list provided. Make sure that you choose the account that's associated with your Shopee seller account to avoid any login issues. Occasionally a pop-up might appear right after you log in. It's nothing to worry about, simply close it to continue with the process. The next step is crucial for all sellers. Look for the Seller Center option, which is located on the top left corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the back end of your Shopee store, where all the magic happens. Inside the Seller Center, you'll see an option to add new product. This is where you start building your listing. Clicking this brings you to the product upload page, an essential part of listing your items on Shopee. Once you're on the product upload page, the first thing you should do is add images of your product. A compelling image can significantly affect your product's performance, so select your photos carefully. Click on Add Image to browse through your computer and choose the best photos that represent your product accurately and attractively. After uploading your images, the next step is to give your product a name. This is where you need to be descriptive yet concise, ensuring that your product title follows Shopee's guidelines. A good product name should clearly describe what you're selling and can include important characteristics like color, size, or brand. Selecting the right category for your product is the next step. This helps customers find your product when they're browsing or searching within specific categories on Shopee. Take your time to go through the categories and choose the one that best fits your product. Writing a detailed and appealing product description comes next. This is your chance to convince potential buyers why they should choose your product. Include all necessary details such as dimensions, features, and special instructions or benefits. Be thorough but also engaging to read. Lastly, don't forget to add any other important details about your product. This could include specifications, material, warranty information, or anything else a buyer might need to know before making a purchase. Once you've completed all these steps, make sure to review all the information you've entered. When you're satisfied that everything is correct and presented in the best way possible, click on Save and Publish. Congratulations, your product is now live on Shopee. Remember, selling online is not just about posting your products. It's about making sure they are presented in the best light to attract customers. Take good photos, write clear and comprehensive descriptions, and always pay attention to customer feedback to continuously improve your listings. Good luck with your Shopee selling journey.